Hello everyone. Today I will find out if it's really worth it to desolder components from PCBs. So let's get into it. First I will take a look at this transformator. And also at that. Let's set those aside for now. I will start with the transformator. And move on to the other parts. What a beautiful transformator. Add that to the collection. Onto the other parts. Remove it. Into the collection. I cut a capacitor off too. Which one should be next? This one looks good. Let's get off the components. Some capacitors and 3 diodes. This one is up next. Here are the parts. This one has some interesting parts. Mostly switches and buttons. I actually need a 12-volt connector like this for my project. This circuit board is from a remote control. Here are the parts. I salvaged this from a coffee machine. Some big capacitors. This one is from a microwave. Mouse circuit board. I just soldered some more parts. So what do I think? Is it worth it? Well, all the parts are worth maximum $15 plus shipping. But if you desolder all that and use the parts, you are saving the environment. So of course it's worth it. Like and subscribe.